Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be creating a spread in my social media, which is an outdated planner called New Day. So as you can see, I'm covering up the left side with a page that I have created. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it down. We are working with the week of July 11th through the 17th. And I'm super excited. I am going to be using a sticker book called Hello Summer from Live Love Posh. In case you haven't noticed, I have been obsessed with her sticker books. So while I'm gluing down the page, if you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I really hope you like it here. And if you are coming back to spend more time with me, I appreciate you so much for doing so. And I really enjoy spending with you guys as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the page around to make sure that it's ideal, and I just do it by hand. That's easier because then you have that line to match up. And this is the previous week, so there we go. That left side really does help me stay on track. So I have created my own tracker that really helps me. So it has video tracker of all the steps that I need to do, as well as my Instagram posts, any additional to-dos, and it tracks my followers and subscribers. And that's just purely for my enjoyment and making sure that I am growing. So I'm gonna redate this really quick. I do have this awesome book from Agenda 52 that years are way outdated. It's such an old book, but I love these stickers, so I'm just gonna continue using them because I think they look kind of fun with the summer book. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and place those down. Here we go. 16th and the 17th. There we go. So that's July. And I'm gonna go ahead and add now some decoration to the spread. So I pulled a whole bunch of books because I wasn't sure what I want to use. I pulled both of these summer books from the Live Love Posh, so she has Hello Summer as well as a Whimsical Summer from last year. I really like both. I think I'm gonna use this awesome beach scene from her like this, but I'm going to take that off that date to make sure that it's not going to show through. Plus it's going to be kind of high when you layer stickers on top of each other. So I'm gonna start with this little corner like so, and I covered up the date a little up there, but that's okay because it's still peeking through and still visible. I really like the start of this already. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other side of this view right there, so it kind of looks like a ripped postcard. That's what I'm going for. Okay, so here and then I'm gonna add this humongous flamingo because why not? Okay, and look at this beach vibe. Like, I just love anything super beachy, so I'm really enjoying adding all of these things into the spread. Okay, another one with kind of the same setup but no girl. I put it on this side because I don't use that small section on top for anything except decorating, so there we go. And then let's add a flamingo drink. It's so summery. I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and add a beautiful fan, like a hand fan. Look how, like, I don't know if you guys ever had one of those, but they're just so gorgeous and like so fancy. Whenever I had one, I used to feel so fancy even as a little girl. Those are fun. Okay, and then sun, beach, relax. I think all of that is going up. That looks great, and I'm gonna add that date right up there so I know Saturday is hiding right underneath. I think that looks good. I'm gonna add another bowl of ice cream. I think it's ice cream, I'm not sure, maybe it's a drink right there. And I think I'm good. I just need to add a whole bunch of boxes, so let's go ahead and start with that in just a second. I'm just gonna see if there's any other elements that I want to add to this, but nope. So I'm gonna move on to the Mojo Jojo plans. I'm gonna use this teal color since she doesn't have like a true blue in there, but that's okay. I'm gonna use teal because that reminds me of the ocean. So I will go ahead and add lots of boxes for lots of videos this week. So I'm excited to share with you guys lots of cool stuff. Okay. If you are a little bit of a fanatic like I am with Live Love Posh, what is your ultimate sticker book from her this far? If you could share that, I would really appreciate it. For me, I think my ultimate favorite sticker book from her was the Wanderlust. Just the beauty and the ingenious of it completely blew me out. Like when I saw that book, the joy that I felt was just incredible. I don't know if you guys get the same thing with your stickers, but stickers just make me so happy. I could sit and flip through books all day long and do nothing else. If somebody paid me to be a sticker book flipper, I'm in. So yeah, if you're watching this far, if you could answer what is your favorite sticker book from Live Love Posh, that would be great. I'm just curious to see what other people love. So I just need a little bit of blue on that left side because it doesn't match. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if there's a couple things that I can add to make a difference. So first and foremost, I'm gonna grab a full box that's lined and put it right underneath the to-dos, like so. And that already looks much better. I think that blue already makes a pretty big difference in here. And then as I'm writing, I might be adding more of these teal elements as I find them. But I'm gonna grab one of those tiny boxes, and it wasn't on purpose, but look how perfectly they match in there. So I'm just gonna add 2 of these, and I think that looks already much better. Okay, I am all done with the spread. I hope you guys had fun. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you very soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.